How to change brush size in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I have to pick up my brush tool. I can go here to the left and click on it, or I can also type B on my keyboard. That will bring up the paintbrush tool. Now I can just make a line, a wavy line like this. And if I want to change the thickness of that, I just select it. And here on the right, where it says stroke, right next to it, you see these arrows. Up and down, I can change the thickness of it, like this. Another way to do this, if we go back to our brush tool, like that, I can press the left bracket key on my keyboard, and it will make the line thinner, like this. Or I can press on the right bracket key to make it thicker, like this. And that's how you change the brush size in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.